Friends, have you ever wondered what the absolute worst food is for your heart health? I bet it's not what you think. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the #1 worst food for your heart. I'll explain the science behind why it's so bad, and I'll give you some simple swaps so you can start taking better care of your ticker. Here's a hint. It's not sugar or saturated fat. In fact, this food is found in tons of products marketed as heart healthy. I'm going to expose the truth so you can make informed choices about what to put in your body. But before we dive in, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want more myth-busting wellness content like this. Now let's get into it. The worst food for your heart is seed oils. That's right. Vegetable oils like canola, soybean, corn, and cottonseed oil. Not exactly what you expected, right? Here's why these ubiquitous oils are so bad for cardiovascular health. Seed oils are highly processed and unstable. They must be extracted from seeds using harsh chemical solvents like hexane. The fragile polyunsaturated fatty acids easily oxidize when exposed to heat, light, and air during processing. This oxidation causes inflammation in the body. Oxidized LDL cholesterol particles are directly linked to atherosclerosis. That's the buildup of plaque in your arteries that can lead to heart attack and stroke. Seed oils oxidize LDL cholesterol, making it more likely to cause inflammation and damage to your arterial walls. A 2017 study found that for every tablespoon of vegetable oil consumed per day, participants had between a 16% and 21% higher risk of cardiac events compared to those who rarely or never consume these oils. Seed oils promote insulin resistance by disrupting cell membranes throughout the body. Insulin resistance is a driving factor in metabolic syndrome, which significantly increases your risk of cardiovascular disease. Seed oils are rich in omega-6 fatty acids, which weaken cell membranes and promote cancer when consumed in excess. Soybean oil has an insane omega-6 ratio. This throws your entire immune system out of whack and triggers systemic inflammation. Now you might be wondering, if vegetable oils are so bad, why are they considered heart healthy? Good question. Here's why these oils are falsely marketed as heart healthy. It all comes down to flawed, outdated science from decades ago. Here's what happened. In the 1950s, studies found that saturated fats increased total cholesterol. This included LDL cholesterol, which was thought to cause heart disease. Scientists theorized that replacing saturated fats with unsaturated vegetable oils would lower LDL and prevent heart disease. But it was just a theory. No actual clinical trials proved this. Regardless, the vegetable oil industry touted this hypothesis in its marketing. By the 1970s, people accepted these oils as heart healthy, even though the science didn't back it up. We now know this fat phobia was misguided. LDL isn't inherently bad. Only oxidized LDL contributes to heart disease. Some saturated fats actually improve your lipid profile. Plus, total cholesterol is a poor predictor of heart attack risk. But seed oil companies continue exploiting outdated science to push their inflammatory products. Don't fall for the hype. Always check the research for yourself. Now that you know to avoid these sinister oils, what should you use instead for cooking, dressings, etc.? Check out these better-for-you options. For frying and high-heat cooking, avocado oil, refined coconut oil, grass-fed butter, or ghee. For low-heat cooking and dressings, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, walnut oil. For cold uses, extra virgin olive oil, flaxseed oil, walnut oil, avocado oil. See the difference? No soybean or canola here. Stick with these anti-inflammatory oils rich in monounsaturated and saturated fats. I hope this video dispelled some myths about heart health and convinced you to ditch the seed oils. Let me know in the comments below if you learned something new today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it interesting. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.